For the East Plano Islamic Center, or EPIC.
Asked by our viewer to talk about Epic City. Now, this Epic City 2.0 is a Sharia law city Islamic group. Yeah, the moment is coming in.
Tell me about your dream mosque.
There is no dream mosque. We don't want a mosque.
I'm in East Plano. This is the Epic Masjid, okay? The Epic Masjid is the center of a controversy right now. The local newspapers and people that are full of hatred are trying to make it look like the Muslims are coming to take over and they're gonna bring Sharia law to Texas.
Collin County just wrapped up an hours-long debate over a proposed 400-acre Muslim-centric community.
Tahun ini warga Muslim Texas sedang bersiap karena East Plano Islamic Center alias EPIC lagi garap proyek yang bukan kaleng-kaleng di markas Cowboy, Texas.
Welcome to Epic City.
Proyek ini akan membangun 1.000 unit perumahan, sebuah masjid modern, sekolah-sekolah terpadu, pusat bisnis dan ruko-ruko alias ruang retail buat belanja dan jajanan halal, plus segala macam fasilitas lingkungan yang Muslim friendly. Tapi jangan senang dulu. Namanya juga proyek Muslim di Amerika, apalagi di Texas, pasti nggak lepas dari aksi intoleransi.
I proclaim the name of the Lord Jesus Christ over the capital of Texas. I stand against Islam and the Prophet Muhammad.
Proyek sebesar ini jelas langsung bikin gerah sebagian warga Texas yang hobi borong senjata, ogah bayar pajak, dan punya alergi akut sama kata imigran. Alih-alih sekadar menyuarakan pendapat, para simpatisan sayap kanan ini justru berkumpul di Dewan Kota dalam sebuah aksi yang, mau dibungkus pakai alasan apapun, tetap saja bermuatan intoleransi.
Epic City has come under great scrutiny.
It used to be that something like this was called a cult, but today it's being called a community.
This was the latest Collin County Commissioners meeting.
I believe we do not want this in our backyard. I sure don't.
Aksi intoleransi ini telah menjadi bola liar di media sosial.
If you are a Texan and if you have not heard about that Epic City, you need to listen up. I was asked by our viewer to talk about Epic City. Now, I didn't know anything about it until I did my research, and let me tell you, it's an moment, and everybody needs to listen up. Now, this Epic City 2.0 is a Sharia law city Islamic group that has plans to expand Islamic political influence in Texas and is supporting Muslim super PAC, okay? They plan to elevate the Muslim political influence and pretty much take over Texas. Yeah, the moment is coming in.
Welcome to Epic City. Nestled in the heart of Josephine, Texas.
It looks all nice.
It is about 20 miles and 20 minutes from Epic.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Welcome to Epic 2.0. Epic City is more than just a neighborhood. It's a way of life. A meticulously designed community.
Pihak Epic memang meluncurkan video promosi untuk menyasar pasar muslim. Ini kan hal yang wajar dan lumrah dalam dunia pemasaran ya. Model video semacam ini juga bukan hal baru buat kita di Indonesia, yang konon katanya belajar demokrasi dari Amerika. Lucunya ya, di Amerika sendiri, sebagian orangnya malah panik berjamaah, teriak-teriak soal hukum syariah seolah-olah itu hantu. Padahal, dalam video promosi ataupun media lokal, Epic sudah jelasin loh bahwa tidak ada isu itu dalam proyek ini. Sebagai Muslim, kita tetap harus ambil hikmahnya ya. Dari wanita ini minimal kita bisa tahu, ternyata Muslim sudah memiliki komunitas besar di banyak kota-kota Amerika.
So obviously, that is an issue because Sharia law is not recognized in the U.S. And yeah, it's a hot mess. It's a real hot mess, and it would set a bad precedent if it goes through. So yeah, like I said, if the Minneapolis thing with the 5 prayer calls a day for Islamic prayer blows your mind, apparently it's happening in Dearborn, Michigan. This is what people are telling me. I didn't research all of this. It's happening in Dearborn, Michigan, and also somewhere in New Jersey.
Jelas banget ya, yang mereka sesalkan bukan soal proyeknya yang bernilai 400 juta dolar itu, tapi soal kenyataan bahwa komunitas Muslim terus tumbuh dan berkembang di Amerika, dan kalau dilihat dari sikap mereka, besar kemungkinan mereka akan lakukan apapun demi menghentikannya, termasuk menyebar berita bohong dan melempar tuduhan receh tanpa dasar. Keren gak tuh? Penganut ajaran kasih nih. Senggol dong!
Even as a Christian, I'm not against people practicing Islam. But if you're going to want to be governed by Sharia law in America, it's just not going to fly, right? And I know there's compounds like this in Michigan, in New Jersey, other states as well. But this is the biggest one they've ever tried to make. It's 402 acres, Muslim exclusive. Nobody else is allowed. And this is just grounds for much worse things to come, because we know Sharia law is not compatible with America. It's really not compatible with any country. That's why they left the countries for America, for the freedom of speech, for the freedom of religion. But it's just a different thing when you want to try to be governed by some different law, right? Which has led to a lot of violence, lots of in other countries. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Do you want to stop the Epic City? Do we want it built? Let me know and be sure to share the story.
Tapi tenang, gak semua orang di sana kayak gitu kok. Masih banyak juga orang-orang baik yang pakai akal sehatnya. Dan akhirnya, tanpa sengaja, terkesan membela Islam. Padahal sebenarnya mereka cuma sedang membela kebenaran. Contohnya, ya, seperti wanita yang satu ini.
Wait, I know why. It's because it's Muslims.
Cakap, kesimpulan wanita ini sangat cerdas. Kira-kira secerdas apa ya analisanya ini? Yuk langsung klik aja ke part 2 di tautan ini. Di sana, udah nungguin 3 klip lanjutan yang dijamin bakal bikin nendang logika dan ngocok kesadaran, plus ada penutup spesial, parodi iklan masjid yang gak cuma lucu, tapi juga nyelekit.